Hi guys, so we are here at Brandage Media. I am Tanvi Sukharam and I'm a fashion blogger and a fashion stylist.
Hey there, so I'm Faram Baria and I'm into fashion blogging, traveling and every other thing which I like.
So basically we are here to play a game which is called I Would Rather, and it's a challenge which we both are going to take, and it's going to be fun.
Actually it's gonna be fun. So I think this is all about, just frequent questions regarding every other thing. Like, you may like to do it or not. For an example, Tanvi is sitting with the phone right now. So if I would ask her that if she want to go with 1 crore lottery or your phone.
I would take 1 crore lottery, give up my phone, and then buy
you
some
can
other
buy
phone,
a new
and
phone.
then I
Oh
can
my
buy
god, see, I told you.
1 crore rupees and give up this phone.
But what about the contacts and everything?
We live in such good world that everything is there on Apple. Everything is there. I can
You can
check
get
in
the
again.
data.
Yes, definitely. So yes, so this is all the game is going to be about. So let's begin with the game.
I think we guys are excited.
Yeah, we're pretty excited. I'm pretty excited.
So we just need to pick some random chits, and that would be.
Yeah. So I'll offer you. Okay. Oh, just pick one. You don't see and
Yeah, I'm not watching it.
Okay, so I would read your questions.
Okay.
You read my questions. Okay, so
yeah.
it would be fun. Okay, so would you rather date a good-looking guy with poor intelligence or average guy with great intelligence?
Of course, I would always go for intelligence, because if he doesn't have brains to work for, I think beauty is not more important for me.
Nowadays, it's not that important.
If you are quite intelligent, you have everything. You have money, you have power. I think everything
you can earn it back. Everything, yeah.
Everything.
Okay, so we just keep this up.
And by money, you can have your beauty back.
Yeah, exactly. You get surgeries.
Yeah. So now that's your turn.
Okay.
Just pick any.
No, I'll pick.
I am gonna be asking you, would you rather eat pizza for 1 year or no pizza for 1 year? I know the answer. Like I've seen in your snaps, in your Insta stories everywhere, so I know that.
So I would, I'm a big foodie, okay? So I would eat pizza for 1 year every day, and then I will work out every day. That's what
Next
I
year.
will do. No, every day.
Okay,
like the day I eat, first I go to the gym forum and then I put the story of pizza saying food is big.
Food is big.
Yeah.
Like me.
Like
yesterday.
That's what she does.
Yeah. But
Okay, so next.
cheat days are always safe. I hope this is.
Okay, would you rather know when you will die or how will you die?
I think, how will I die?
Really?
Yeah.
I would just want to know when will I die.
Because I think death is something which is not relevant, and how would I die would be like, okay, so this is the thing which I should take care of. Like,
That is not going to but change it. You are still going to die. So you just.
but I think I'm more keen into knowing the reason why.
Okay. Great. Okay, so now it's my turn.
Actually, it's a big question. Would you rather have Lamborghini in your garage or closet full of branded bags, clothes, shoes?
Second.
Always.
Second.
Guys, it's not
I
a
don't
question
want
to ask.
cars, girls. So I would rather want a guy who has that car, or maybe I will own it later on. But first, I want all the branded things in my closet.
Of course.
I don't need a big room. I need a big closet. That's it.
Actually, like, we don't need
We
to
don't
have
need.
a
I don't
big
want
boat.
Lamborghini right
Yeah,
now.
Lamborghini or any other car. I think we are not fond of cars.
Yeah,
We are
I
more fond of gadgets and everything.
Yeah. Okay. Would you rather change past or see the future?
Future, of course, so that I can work hard for it.
But if you can see the future, you don't need to work hard.
Yeah,
You don't at
no,
all need
but
to
I'll
work hard,
do
you
the
know
best.
it.
I'll do the best, you know.
Yeah, you can have a little bit
like
of
because see, I know the future. I
you will
can
help
do
me
my
also.
homework.
You can help other people also. Not only yours, but
Actually-
everybody's future.
So
Okay.
if I see my future, it's gonna be good for me. Okay.
Yeah,
I'm
you never
seeing
know.
my future, so I'll work hard and make it best.
Don't work hard, do smart work. If you know the future, just do the smart work.
Because I just
Delegation
know it.
is always a good option.
Yeah. Would you rather read minds of people or predict future? Accurately predict future.
I would rather read mind of people. I think it will help me, right? It will help me. But
Accurate,
I think,
predict future.
but
man.
I think I'm already a very good, not very good, but
I
I'm
think
good
your
at.
perception is very
Yeah,
good
I'm
in
good
predicting
at.
things.
Yeah, like I'm good with intuitions. I meet somebody for first time or second time, and then I can tell.
You got to know about
Yeah, I
the
can tell
person
that
thinking.
it's all about vibes for me.
Yeah.
So I think I would rather read minds of people and
So that
I
you
would
get
not
to know
waste-
more
I don't know.
about
I
it.
would not waste time. That if I know, okay, I can just read this person. I will not waste my energy in talking. Also, if I don't like
Yeah,
that
so I
person,
don't
I
waste
would
my
be just
time,
okay.
guys. Okay,
I don't want to
bye.
waste time.
But I think predicting future. Maybe. We
I
can
will
just-
live in the moment as much as I can.
Yeah.
Okay, so yours.
Oh yeah. Big question again. Maybe.
Would you rather date someone you love or date someone who loves you? Okay,
Actually-
I know this.
Date someone who loves me. You know, like because,
Yeah, because
I
they will
think
spoil you. They'll spoil you. You don't have to crave
she
attention.
knows the answer, guys. Yeah, of course,
You don't
because
have to crave attention.
he loves me, so he'll do anything for me, and I think that would be the
Will you
world's
also
best
do?
thing. Of
Or
course,
will you
I
also
will
do?
but my input would be less
Lesser,
than-
and you'll be happier.
I would be happy. Of course, like
Nice.
world's best thing to
Yeah.
have.
Smart.
Yeah.
That is smart.
Always.
Okay.
Would you rather be the most funniest or intelligent person in room? Which one?
I think I would be the funniest. I
I
don't
would
have
be the intelligent one.
I
Yes,
don't-
I wanted it.
Because I don't think I'm too much of a GK and intelligent kind of a person.
Oh yeah, okay.
I'm not interested that way.
Yeah.
But yeah, I have knowledge about the things I need to have.
Yeah.
Apart from that, I just want fun and being funny, humorous,
Yeah,
being
I
like
can- I
Chandler.
Chandler. I
Being
know,
like
right?
Chandler. We
I
all
know,
love
right?
Chandler being right.
Actually.
Yeah, I would rather be like
But I
that.
belonging from engineering background, it feels like okay, smart girls. Rather.
My god. I
Just
can't
a
study
thought.
so much.
Okay. My turn?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay, this one. I can really see the question.
Would you rather prefer full makeup on without lipstick or without mascara?
Okay,
Full
I'm
makeup?
like 6s and 7 right now. I full makeup includes everything.
Yeah, but still, full makeup without mascara or without lip shade. I think you would rather go without mascara. You've not
Without
applied
mascara
much.
because I haven't applied.
Applied, yeah. See? So yeah,
But
that
full
was
makeup,
easy.
yes.
Yeah.
Which covers the lip shade and contour, everything.
Okay, so I will pick that last. I know that already. I will pick
That's
that
not done, okay? We should keep this aside. Okay. Still, she's picking it.
No, I'll pick that, but I'll pick it at the end.
Okay, okay. Would you rather accidentally shave your eyebrows or eyelashes?
How will I
You
shave my
cannot.
eyelash? Accidentally. So I think I would shave my eyebrows accidentally. It's fine because we all have,
This brushes.
yeah, the eyebrow fixer benefit is helping everybody. So yeah, eyelashes I love. They are pretty perfect. I've heard from people, so I
Actually,
will not hinder that. So okay.
And then we can go for DS9.
Okay. Okay, so would you rather have short hair for rest of your life or no haircut for your entire life? So basically you want to become a hippie or you want to be a modern person. That's what they want.
Short hair.
Right?
I
Good
cannot keep
modern.
on growing.
Yeah, you become like a hippie.
Yeah, I
Then
become a hippie.
long-
So I think
long-
short hair.
And short hair is
think
in.
of.
Short hair is in always, so
Yeah.
it's okay. You're growing
So I was
up.
having a thought of going shorter.
Wow, you got. So you. This is a hint that you should go ahead.
Maybe. Okay.
That was okay. You're reading for me.
Yeah, so we have this last one. because-
Okay.
Would you rather wear specs for whole life or braces for whole life?
Spexes. I love
We can
eyewear.
remove it
No,
if you want.
but I anyway love eyewear. Any kind of eyewear.
Yeah.
Sunglasses, eyewear. So what happened was I had eyeglasses since I was in senior KG.
Really?
Yeah, I had.
I didn't know.
Yeah, I had glasses when I was in senior KG, and by 7th or 8th, they.
You got your
yeah,
laser
yeah.
done?
No, I got nothing done. I used to walk on the green grasses, and they were something that could be subsidized. You know, it could get go
Okay.
away. It was something like that. So, but finally, when in 7th standard my specs went away, suddenly that craze for wearing specs increased.
So
Because
now
I came in
she
10th
can-
and
yeah.
everyone wanted to look studious and they would wear specs
Serious
and I used to
studious
tell
and-
my mom I want to wear specs. I faked it. I can't see anything. I faked it totally.
Yeah, really?
I went to the doctor, so I was so used to, like, since senior KG to 6th standard, if you're going to the doctor, they make you read those things.
Yes.
You're so used to it.
And then
still-
you know P, Q.
yeah.
Okay,
And
now
then
I
still,
know.
and then I still kept on going that, oh, I can't see with this. Then she would put some other thing. Then she would put some.
Can you see clearly?
Yeah, so I was like I was like, okay, I'm very confused कि किसका number बड़ा है, क्या मैं क्या बोला, कुछ भी बोले नहीं दिख रहा है, कुछ भी बोले I am like नहीं
And then
दिख
you
रहा है.
started wearing number glasses. Seriously.
No, then the doctor came to know this girl is faking it.
Okay. But I think I have lens.
And I had
infection.
braces also.
Yeah, even I had. Even
Like
I
when
had.
I was in my 8th standard to my 11th standard, those were the worst 3 years of my life. 8 to 11, like the prime years when you date people. When
I
you
got
meet
it done
people,
in my
when you
college
talk to
days,
people.
first year. Can you imagine first year college time? Like
Sad.
people used to.
Never braces. I'm
Yeah.
not choosing braces ever.
Yeah. And then I had this. I used to wear double lenses because I hate wearing glasses.
Yeah.
But now I think I have few of infection in my eyes, so I need to wear specs. But now if people see me in different outlooks, so they love it. I mean, they feel like
Yeah, it
okay,
is
you
very
have a
preppy.
different look
It's
going
very
around.
preppy and
Okay,
it's very good.
I think we should try also.
Yeah.
I feel
So
like, okay.
our challenge is over. We both, I guess, did pretty well.
Pretty much.
We like pretty
Good.
well in this, and we would like to thank Brandage
Brandage
Media for
Media.
calling us, for having us here, and it was amazing, fun time we had here.
And if you guys are watching it and if you love video,
yeah.
you guys need to go like, subscribe,
And share with your friends. Go to the Instagram handle, like it, follow it. Because I'm sure they are coming
And
up.
tag us if you want. We can share it on our profile.
Definitely. You guys can share it and tag us, so we would, add it
Share
to our add it to our stories as well,
Yeah.
and that is going to be fun. See you guys again
And
soon.
even if you have some questions in your mind, you can just ask us.
Ask anything.
Yeah, that's fine.
Bye bye.
Bye.